Hi there, and welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Today we're happy to present this 2016 Ram Promaster City SLT version with only 8,200 kilometers. These little cargo vans have replaced the bigger ones. They're great on fuel. This has a 2.4 liter Tiger Shark 4-cylinder engine coupled with a 9-speed automatic transmission. You're going to get 30 to 35, sometimes 40 miles per gallon. That's amazing. This 2016 Ram Promaster City has dual sliding doors, and as you can see, this has hardly been used. There's not a dent, there's not a scratch. It's as close to new as you're going to find, especially with 8,200 kilometers. If you have a small business and you need to get things around and you don't want to spend a lot of money on fuel, you know what? This Promaster SLT, as you can see, has rear barn doors which both open to a 180-degree angle. So you have no problem getting stuff in or out. Look how easy it is to access those dual sliding doors. And like I said, this Promaster's hardly even been used. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we're not going to sell you an extended warranty if we know the vehicle already has extended warranty. And I'm not sure if you know or not, but this 2016 Ram Promaster City has a transferable factory extended warranty, which is good right till August 19th, 2023. That's bumper to bumper. So when it was purchased, the customer purchased that warranty and it's transferable into your name at no charge, and we'll take care of that for you. The SLT comes with nice features like cloth bucket seats, and guess what? They're both heated. This is no basic little van. You got power windows, power locks, you got tilt steering, cruise control. There's those very low kilometers, 8,241. You've got Bluetooth hands-free for incoming and outgoing phone calls. You can also audio stream, which means if you got music on your phone, you can stream it wirelessly right through the system. You've got tons of auxiliary jacks and USB ports, more down here. And this little cargo van has a backup camera with rear park sensors. And let's not forget air conditioning, which keeps you cool in these hot summer days. One of the nice things about Miracle Truck and Car Company is we have no commission salespeople. You can deal with one or both of the owners. Makes it easy, simple. You know what? Just a nice experience. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we deal with all the banks. We offer extended terms with low rates. Plus, we also assist our customers that have had bruised credit, which means we'll get you driving something newer, like this Ram Promaster City, at a lower rate. The whole time you'll be rebuilding your credit. If it looks like it's going to rain or it's snow or it's just cold outside, no worries. We'll take whatever vehicle you're looking at, like this 16 Ram Promaster City. We'll back it into our indoor heated showroom. You can relax, grab a coffee, and look at the vehicle underneath our showroom lights. We're located on the corner of Highway 4 and Alberni Highway in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area. If you've never been to the Coombs Country Junction, all you got to do is look for the Miracle Truck and Car Company sign. This is our outdoor display. All you got to do is go straight down. On the right hand side, you'll see the garage door. Go in our 2,000 square foot indoor showroom. We believe you'll enjoy the process here. You get to deal with one or both of the owners. We'll appraise your trade. We'll give you a difference. We'll get you approved in a payment. No pressure, no hassle. You'll find that only here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video.